In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add borders to paragraphs in Microsoft Word. If you've ever wanted to make a section of text stand out, paragraph borders are a quick, polished way to do it. Let's walk through it together, step by step, with a few helpful tips along the way so you get exactly the look you want. Start by opening your Word document. Once it's open, select the paragraph or paragraphs you want to highlight. You can click and drag to select text, or click inside a paragraph and use typical selection shortcuts if that's faster for you. Make sure only the content you want bordered is selected. Word applies borders to the current selection. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. In the paragraph group, look for the Borders button. It's a small square icon with 4 sides and a little arrow next to it. Click the arrow to open the drop-down menu. From here, you can choose a preset option for a fast result. Bottom border adds a line beneath your paragraph. Top border places it above. Left or right add a vertical line on either side. And all borders frames the paragraph on all 4 sides. These options apply immediately to your selection and are perfect for simple, consistent formatting. If you don't like what you see, you can undo and try a different preset. If you want more control over the look, click Borders and Shading at the bottom of the drop-down. In the Borders tab, you'll find several styles. Box gives you a clean rectangular frame. Shadow adds a subtle offset effect. 3D creates a raised look. And Custom lets you decide exactly which sides get a border. You can also choose the line style, color, and width to match your document's design. A thin gray line might be great for a professional report, while a thicker colored line can help headings stand out in a handout. Use the preview area on the right of the dialog to confirm which sides are active and make adjustments before applying. When you're happy with the settings, click OK to apply the border to your selected paragraph. If something doesn't look quite right, you can reopen Borders and Shading to fine-tune the width, color, or sides until it's perfect. And that's all there is to it. Whether you need a simple underline or a fully framed callout, these tools make it easy to guide your reader's attention exactly where you want it.